right, guys, so this is how our day went. Got to the airport in good time. Emily made sure that we were all checked in, our boarding tickets were issued, and we are on our way. Yes, our first flight was from Lagos to Nairobi, and I really didn't like the food they served on this flight. And it was a little bit turbulent, but God saw us through. We landed in good time, and everything was fine. We thank God. And then we had to catch up our next flight from Nairobi to Cape Town. This flight was better. The food was yummy. Had so much fun. We watched movies, we gisted, we slept, and we landed Cape Town in good time. The weather was really, really clear. And I also made a new friend on the flight. Yay! Right, so of course, trust Oriflame to be there to welcome us VVIP style. We always get the special welcome by the conference team, and of course, our luggages were fine, were taken and put into the car, and we were also welcomed with a branded, customized mineral water just for this conference. Oriflame, nobody does it better. On our way, we saw the Table Mountain. It was such a beautiful sight. And here we are at the hotel at the Westin. And I love the hotel.